to another video. Damn, I haven't made a video like this in super long. Like, that's crazy. So let me update you guys. I created a car club. It's called the Pack CC, and I'm gonna show you guys later. So this is our official first car meet in the Bay Area, and hopefully it turns out good. I think the whole Bay Area is gonna come out, so stay tuned because this is gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. It's like a Mustang me over here. With this? Yeah, I got you right now. Try to put it on auto. Yeah! Hurry up! Yeah! That's illegal, sir. Someone's slapping loud.
We could do a store now. Oh, that's hella corny.
Come on, bro. Hey. Oh, whoa. Do I close and personal? No, hey, just record hella clips and I'll edit it for you. Okay? Okay. Oh, you want to do it?
Hey.
Ooh, don't touch.
Nice.
You know what she was grabbing before. That's why I say don't touch.
The president lifestyle?
Alright, well.
Okay, can you grab this one?
I say members first. Well, what are you doing?
Take a picture with every member?
No, nigga. Like,
You gotta present yourself first though. There's Blaze over
They
here.
all look good. Which one?
bro, we
These
all
are the
gotta
same
get-
things or not?
Blaze.
All that is Blaze.
Other way.
Other way.
The other way.
Alright, thank you.
Other way.
Oh, look at that thing. My car. My car comes in.
Thank you.
Fucking Ella swapped. We got. You see how it's gonna get one? Perfect center door.
Thank you.
Oh boy.
Hey, you're welcome, guys. I bought them. Get some on the last.
Yeah?
You want one, bro? Go ahead.
You guys want one?
Thank you, bro.
They make wide body kits with smart car. You can buy online. It's fucking amazing.
Damn. It's our car meet. Shit is crazy. It's our first official car meet, and we got blocked twice. This shit is crazy. Like, this shit better be good. Yeah. Okay with the little Miatas? Hey, you need one of those in your life, bro. Little Miata. Man, I just changed my exhaust or else I would have been the loudest guy here. That shit sucks.
Let them know you ain't scared. Let them know you ain't scared.
Hey, section boys, piece of shit too now. It's a piece of shit too now. Piece of shit too now.
Let them know.
It's a piece of shit too now.
That's fucking. That's Paul Walker.
Oh, like the opening scene.
Everybody go run.
How they fight? Niggas come on
This is like my dream.
What happened?
Oh, he's getting it. What happened?
Oh, that nigga's on
That's what I'm saying.
Hey, I go wild. I got this.
I think he's drunk though.
Right here? No way. Right here? They're really about to race over here. What the fuck? That's crazy. Come on. That's crazy.
Bro, what the fuck?
I don't know. Watch out.
Bro, what the fuck is going on?
Holy shit. Bro, this is what you doing?
Don't go over there.
What is happening, bro?
Hey, if the cops pull up, they better get up on that freeway right there.
Yep.
Oh shit! He hooked? He hooked.
That's what I'm saying.
He hooked on those time. I think it was a tie.
No, because he started flashing his hazards, but he wasn't even taking them
He
yet.
wasn't. Buffalo Wild Wings.
Huh? Where's that at?
Buffalo Wild Wings.
Oh, okay.
They're low-key overreacting, bro. They're making us.
Yo, what is up, everybody? This is day 2 of the vlog. I'm vlogging again because yesterday I didn't record that much because the car meet was pretty wild and it was too entertaining. But we're here with my boy Edgar. Say what's up, bro.
What's up, you guys?
And then we about to go take some pictures right now of the new members of our car club. And I'm gonna vlog a lot because I didn't bring my car today because I didn't feel like driving today. I was just very lazy. But we have Luis with the GTL behind us. We got a 2018 Black Mustang and what else? We got another Scat Pack. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Okay. About to take some quick little pictures when we get under the tunnel. He's under the tunnel.
Yeah.
Should I take? Nah, I feel like there'd be hella cars right there.
Shit.
Hey, when we get inside the tunnel, I want you to be on my right side, and I want you to shoot some motherfucking flames, cuz. Alright, and just shoot a lot of flames, cuz I'm just trying to get the best picture I can. Alright, for sure.
Hey,
What's up?
how long are we away from the bridge?
From the tunnel? Not that far. Like 3 more lights. Yeah, just be there, and then just keep going straight. Just keep going straight. All right.
Tom, you gotta catch some speed, nigga. Like, you gotta chill back behind this, nigga.
Let's see if I can get a video too. flames though.
He was. Like, he was like the first time when he was doing it.
Back here again. Fucking slow piece of shit. 100K for what? 120 for what? It's 120K for what? 300
Likes us already.
We're the next big thing, I'm telling you. Hey, Black Gold kind of crazy, I'm not even gonna lie.
That's fucked up. They're photographers now.
Edward really about to get us all jumped.
I want to watch it right now. I like
You want to see the look, start it up? The fucking, the popping into it? Popping into the steer?
Oh, I heard it.
But is it over there or right here? I think so, yeah. What?
I didn't hear that.
That sounds like, that's probably inside, no? It sometimes does it. It started doing it this morning. Sure, it's not like that though? Huh? Because the porch stays doing that double hard. Maybe that's in there. Hey, should I go tell them or just take a picture?
If you want. Or see. I mean, we're not doing anything. What the fuck?
We should go by color, bro. Me and him should be on the outside.
Someone has OCD, huh?
Yeah. Hey, when I posted that one picture when we went to the tunnel, when you did the burnout
In the tunnel?
over by the Cypress Street.
I didn't burn out? Go more in the middle.
Hey, wait. Hey, wait till the vet leaves so we could just get you in the shot.
I think he wants to.
Hey, stop.
Nah, he wanted to do it for himself. We out.
Hey, the cat.
Hey, run to your car.
Cat.
Take notes of what? Damn. Oh, no.